In this video, I am going to answer your question about what is SPL token. So what's the Solana SPL token? What does it mean? And especially as a developer, maybe you are just new into Solana development, these are things you will hear over and over again, and probably do a bit of comparison to Ethereum tokens. So let's get started on that. Are you looking for a single platform that make it super easier for you to have access to explore Web3 projects and opportunities they have, like jobs, grants, bounties, and a lot more? If that is what you want, welcome to Explore Web3 platform, a public good project I'm building to make it super easier for you to explore Web3 projects and their opportunities. So it has over 150 categories that makes it easier for you, and each of these projects you can bookmark them to access later. You can have access, rate them and give feedback, and in doing so. And at the same time, I started with Solana ecosystem, but I'm open to expand to other ecosystems. So if you belong to that, you can reach out to set up, and if you build Web3 project, you can also submit for free. And at the same time, please donate to help keep this project going. Meanwhile, I may get support and reward for any of the content, video or content on the website. So please always do your own research. Every of the content are for educational purpose and not investment advice. Let's get back to the video. So SPL token stand for Solana Program. Let's see. SPL token. So we've discussed in the previous video what SPL programs are all about. So these are like Solana Program library. So these are like collection of program, and when I mean program, just the same as what you call smart contract on Ethereum or EVM. So that's the same thing when you hear program on Solana. So it's like collection of all those programs that has been pre-designed and usually deployed on different cluster of Solana. It can be DevNet, it can be mainnet. So that's the library. So when you are not talking about the token, that means you are referring specifically to the SPL program that deals with token creation, minting, etc. of both fungible and non-fungible token on Solana. Yeah. So what this means, like I told you, is this SPL actually consists of multiple programs. So each of them perform different things. But when you are talking about SPL token, then you are talking about the specific type of SPL program that is focused on token. And that could include token generation. That's why you say SPL token generation, minting, and compared to Ethereum, where you have, like, Ethereum now uses what is called ERC. And then you have something like ERC20 and ERC7, I think 721 or something. Then you also have, I think, ERC maybe 555 or things like that. So, which is like an hybrid of this ERC, this 720, but at the same time have some feature of ERC20. So usually much recommended for games and things like that. So I don't think I remember this code correctly. Now, so the same way when you want to launch a token on Ethereum or any EVM, you make use of the ERC20 token standard. But compared to Ethereum, where you have things like OpenCepilin, they built all those things you need to follow to deploy. Solana already deploy it on their blockchain. So all you need to do is to follow some set of transaction, to organize your transaction in a way that it can interact with this SPL token program using the ID on the blockchain, on the Solana blockchain. So once you can interact with it, you can call it to mint, you can call it to create a new token. And like I said, unlike this being separated, if you want to do an NFT, you have a kind of structure on Ethereum for ERC. It's totally different from ERC 721 for NFT. You understand? For NFT. But on Solana is the same program, that same SPL token program that you use. So it's just about how you specify some things, like can it mint more and things like that, that will now determine if this is treated as an NFT or both fungible token and non-fungible token. So things like you can also extend it like metadata with Metaplex, which you also can use with your normal fungible SPL token. Then if you need it as NFT as well, you will also have done some videos in the past, and we are still going to do more videos where we will create SPL token on Solana using different methods, because there are different ways, like using I use Solang Solidity on Solana, but coming video I will be using either the native Rust or using Anchor. So but that Solang also, I also use Anchor plus Solang, so Solidity for it. So that's what I will cover also in future. So if you want to see videos like that, and like these videos where I'm explaining bit of essential thing you need to understand as you go deep into blockchains like Solana as a developer, then you should like, subscribe, tap the notification bell. Let me hear your experience in the comments below, and you can as well use the donation to support to keep this the programming university platform project going. I'll recommend us as well for grants, for developer content grant creations. That's it for this video. I will see you in the next. I remain Solomon Foske, and please keep the programming spirit and alive, and always do good to humanity and nature with your programming skill and not evil, to make the world a better place for us all. Peace and bye.